Meaning of diarist.
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 Diarist. A diarist is someone who keeps a regular record of their personal experiences, thoughts, and reflections in a diary or journal. The term can refer to both historical figures who kept journals documenting their lives, as well as contemporary individuals who maintain private diaries for personal or creative reasons. Diarists often use their journals to examine their emotions, track their progress, or process life events. Through their writing, diarists can gain greater self-awareness, explore their inner thoughts and feelings, and create a record of their lives for future generations.